Good morning, guys. I'm with Trey, and look, we have twin shirts. Oh, he's been wearing the Primal joggers.
I love these pants. Best thing.
Those from like 2 years ago.
They're amazing.
And we sold out, but we actually ended up finding a few back in stock. Plans for today: gonna buy the truck. If you guys watched yesterday's vlog, you guys saw that I was trying to pick between a Ram and a Chevy Silverado, and you guys know I love Chevys. I love the comforts of it. A Ram's so practical, but it's also comfortable. So I'm just gonna teleport you guys over there and we'll make a final decision. Ready? Whoop, bam! And we're here. You guys ready to get the truck? Oh, by the way, I took the lift here. If you guys want $5 off, I'll insert the promo code in the description. $5 off your lift, man. No cost to you guys. Good morning, guys. We're here at the dealer. You guys ready for this? Have you guys picked or figured out which truck I'm getting? Oh, I'll tell you guys when I get back to the office. Lyft? Yeah, cool. All right, Lyft driver. What's up? Guess what? I didn't buy it. I didn't buy it. Okay, so I didn't buy the truck because they wouldn't work on pricing. That's why. And I get the business model, but they're still asking like 4K over after taxes and stuff. And I have a solid number that I need to hit for both for like logistics wise. Gotta hit it, so they couldn't. So I was like, I don't want to waste time. If you guys can later, let me know. If not, it's okay. So I took a lift and I went back. If they call me back and get it, then I'll get it. But I'm in no crazy rush. But I'm super disappointed and sad. But I'm not in a rush. I've been shopping for like months for this, and this truck's been on the market for like months and months. So not a huge rush. Just kind of disappointed because I want to tow the drift car. But yeah, that's life. Yeah, I don't have an unlimited amount of money, so I can't just buy stuff. So what I'll do is I'll just wait, keep shopping around, maybe find a private dealer where it's a bit less. But I wanted to hit this price and nothing above it, and they're still asking a few thousand over. So I don't know, like if we have a group text. We don't have a group text. We all decided to put the same shirt on. And guess what? This shirt was under my pile, so I dug through it to find it.
Oh, I just washed mine last night. And like,
I don't know when mine was washed. Nicole.
Hi.
I did not buy the truck.
Why?
Because they didn't want to work with me at price. Okay, I'm gonna package with the guys for like 15 minutes. Okay, so Edgar and I were working on a quick little logo for Hustle and Grind. I'm not gonna show you guys yet. We gotta make sure it's okay. I want to get the guys' reaction.
ooh,
Clean?
that's it.
Look at Thomas is not amused. Thomas is not amused.
I'm trying to make sense of it.
Yeah, it's abstract.
Exactly, it's very abstract. I like it.
Clean? Hat. Nicole's like, I don't get it. I don't like this shit. She's like, this is stupid.
No.
She's like, she's entertainment and fashion, so she kind of knows.
I see the red.
Yeah.
Red touch.
Nicole's like, how do I be kind about this? Thomas is like, I still don't get it. I have to blur this out, guys. But once we settle on the logo, I will let you guys know.
You're a YouTuber, right?
Yes. Okay, I got off the phone. I don't know who it is. I forgot his name, but it's probably a secondary salesman for the phone. Ah, man. So they try to offer a little bit better. They bring the truck over here, but I'm solid in my number. And I think the moral of the story is I have a strict budget I have to keep to, and I can't budge. And for me, it's like I want to help them and promote them too. So obviously making this video and all that good stuff, they're gonna also make their money. And I understand that concept because we pay marketers to market for us and we see returns. So in this case, I have to stick to a budget. I have employees to pay for, my wife and my kids. So my kids are like my dogs too. So I have to stick to a budget. I know they have flexibility, but I guess they want to play the game with me, and I'm just waiting. I have Disneyland to go to today with my daughter because it's our alumni thing for our college. I don't know, man. I never like buying cars. It's so stressful. Trying cheese, so fancy. Oh, so they're taste testing cheese for Aaliyah's birthday. But they said that one smells like the booty. What kind of booty you guys been at? Booty! She says penis for me on video now.
Record mic right now. Record mic.
This is smell like the booty.
It's so much better, like when the cheese board, when we have cheese burger and put like grapes and nuts. Oh yeah. Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah. This one's too soft.
Okay, never mind. I got the aftertaste.
That
I don't like the booty. I need something to wash it down. Damn, look. The guys came through, bought some stuff, but look, there's a truck, man. It's so, what a coincidence, but here. This is his truck. I think it's a 1500. Love Chevys, man. Let's check it out. Look at this. Oh, so much room. So close to getting a truck, yet so damn far. Yo. I was so close to buying a truck today.
Were you?
But the dealer didn't want to work with me.
What's up?
What do you drive? What do you drive?
A 328 I.
Hey, let's go. Oh, we're tattoo bros too, by the way.
Yeah.
Tattoo. Holy shit. Let's not mess. Let's leave. Let's leave. Let's leave. Let's leave. I'm just kidding. My brother's got tats all over, like all over his place.
Yeah.
My brother's so proud of me when I got my first tattoo. He's like, "Yeah, Mike." I was like, "Damn, Mike, you got a fucking arm already?" I guess as of right now, it's just a big waiting game. So, I mean, we still have the whole day left. They might give me a call back today, so we never know. You guys ready to teleport somewhere? Ready? Ooh. Talk about a plot twist. I just got a text from two of my friends, Sean Lee, thank you, and Junior. Both of them separately texted me and said, hey, if you're still looking for a truck, I know a guy, and they just bought one recently, another Ram. So they just got hooked up with a friend of theirs that owns a dealer. Two separate people texting me about this. Things happen for a reason, so let's see if this comes out to be anything. Ready? Teleport! This is awesome. It's for all Cal State Fullerton alumni and current students. The whole Disney park is like shut down for all of us. I know, right? It's crazy. It's been like... The races are on! Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Oh! She's Asian! She's Asian! Watch out! Ah!
I can't.
There's white people! Okay guys, it's the next morning and Disneyland was fun for all us CSUF alumni and current students, but the dealership hasn't called me. So let's give it another like 3 or 4 hours. Teleport, ready? Or time warp. Anyways, transition! As I'm driving into work here with the Tesla, I did send a text out to the dealer, the sales guy, and was like, hey, just to let you know that I'm editing and finishing up the video, and I'm just editing the first day's portion of it, and letting him know that I'm finishing it with the ending of this video would be we didn't get the truck, and if they want to still work the deal at the asking price, and if we can, then we can make the ending happy. If not, we can make the ending sad, very sad, where Mike doesn't get it, which is okay. Life happens. I just had a quick meeting, and then I had a phone call from the dealer, so I'm gonna call him back. I'm not gonna do the conversation on the phone just to respect the privacy, but I'm gonna call him back right now. And the story ends with bad news. It's roughly 1:38 p.m. today. No call from the dealer. I did shoot him a text, let him know that upload it soon. I gave him a call back and nothing. So I'm gonna assume it's a no deal, which is okay. Maybe they'll come back later on. We called around for us, a couple other dealers. So at this point, it's just a waiting game, guys. I'm sorry, no truck. That means no drift videos for a little bit until we can get Daniel Kilogram to come over and help me out. But actually, when you're watching this video, next week on Tuesday, I'm flying up to San Jose, hanging out with Randy and the boys from Eliminate, and we're gonna drift their cars. So at least we'll get some drifting action soon. Hopefully someone wants to work with me for truck stuff. Either way, thanks for your support, and I'm headed home for lunch. Thanks, guys. Love you guys. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out. Wow. You know what was freaky? This thing was on autopilot the entire outro. That is creepy. But I've gotten used to it. I love it, dude. I love it. I'll make a full video about this. I forgot to mention, look at this. Dash cams. Dash cam. Ooh, new 360 camera. I've been curious about these. I can actually do a review on this and give one away for you guys. I actually have a few more things at the office to do giveaways on, so stay tuned, guys. We might be doing some giveaways on this channel just because I get all free product and I don't keep them all, or I don't need them all. So why not give it to you guys, right? Maybe we can work something out. If you guys like that idea, hit the freaking like button. Let me know giveaways in the comments below. Bye.